This game is called Wrong Answers. Ne?
So how are you feeling for this? I'm nervous, guys.
Okay, guys. So you open the question, you have to answer the wrong question. No wrong answer. You understand? Ukatadza, each question in a one egg. Risina kubika. Zaimbishi. You understand? Saka iwe yaungukonewa uri kumwa zaimbishi. Inoenda kukonewa, so tine questions 8. Saka tuta rounds 2.
Okay. Ndindi kutanga.
Okay. Kutanga kubvunza 4. Then to start round.
Okay. Are you wearing white socks?
Yes. Yeah. But
you answered it correctly. You're wearing white socks. 1 egg for that. Where's my pen?
Shit.
How many nose do you have?
Mira, ndofunda kumwa.
Oh, okay.
But why? That does it.
I never said this girl. You always.
How did I? Oh God. Oh God. Help me. Oh God. But why?
That is what it is.
But no,
I'm gonna guide you.
I forgot to find out wrong answers. How?
Yeah, for my game.
Oh God. Ask.
How many nose do you have?
34.
Okay. When is your birthday?
33 April.
Do you go to gym?
I always go.
And am I your girlfriend?
Jesus Christ. No, you're not.
Okay, wrong answer. But better than go pay the S and
no, why don't
you 5?
No, it's fine.
Okay. What is your shoe size?
Size 3.
Do you sing? Are you an artist?
No, I don't.
What is your mom's name?
Pelagia. Wow. I'm coming here for you.
So it's now my turn.
What is my totem?
Moyo.
Where are we going to post this video?
Next year.
I didn't say where. I say where. I didn't say when.
Okay.
I say where. I mean which platform.
Okay. on my page.
No, I mean like Facebook, TikTok, like those platforms. Which one?
Okay, on Instagram.
Yes, we're going to post it on Instagram. My girl. Yes, you have to.
We always post on YouTube and Facebook. YouTube and Facebook. YouTube.
Those are no funga. We always post TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, everywhere. Please.
This is cheating.
We always post. You know, that's about Instagram. Pedu. As soon as my fan is drink. No.
But this is cheating. I know this is cheating.
Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh. Wow.
This is cheating.
Wow.
This is cheating.
Wow. Faka zonke.
Wait.
Please.
Okay, wait.
Ndakawaita. Swallow. Ndinokutsenga. Wow. well done. Well done. Apa usati watanga. Ausati watanga. Ewe tichiri pa number 2. Watomwa kudhara.
Iwo mwa pa number 1.
Okay, wait and see. What is my favorite color?
Pink.
Exactly. It's pink. Drink.
I don't know. No.
I see most of pink, but it's my favorite. Please. Pink is my favorite. Drink egg.
This is cheating.
Emotional
This is
but
cheating. We don't like pink. You like no.
Drink. Pink is my favorite. No, unofonera mama wangu avunzi.
No, this is cheating. This is cheating. I know your favorite color.
You don't know.
I know.
Are we sleeping together?
Yes.
Icha, that's it. Ingwa.
Hey.
Don't. Ingwa. That's Ingwa.
Wait, let me not talk much.
Icho, chawatu. Hi. Icho. Ndakutaurira kuti ndanditambwe neni. Wow. Udarese?
Makudzoka.
Dzoki. Yes. Cool down. Yes, calm down. Wow. Apo usati watanga naye ukuchemei. Wait and see. Wait.
Ukukwata kangu maboila mbichana.
No, mbichana. Wait. What is your name?
Michaela.
Where is my wallet?
In your pocket.
When last did you eat porridge?
Last year.
Where is your phone?
In my wallet. In my face.
Wow. Chamwama zaitu. Ndamwari mwe chete. Next time uziwe kuti pink is my How are you feeling now?
No more games again. No more games. Guys, mukanjona nchitamba game ne uyu. Bate shamu murobe. No more games ngitamba newe.
Chatamba rimwe game.
Antambe newe futhi. Okay, one last question. Mwana wangu ndiwe rudzi?
Brown.
Une maziso mangani?
34.